Let's begin with breaking news coming in of relief for AAP MLA Amanatullah Khan as the court has stopped his arrest till February 24th. This is based on the anticipatory bail petition that the AAP MLA had filed. Now, the court has, however, directed Amanatullah Khan to join the investigation, to cooperate with authorities. He's been asked to join the probe by 5 p.m. this evening at the Delhi police station. Now, Amanatullah Khan's grilling will take place under the scrutiny of CCTV cameras. Remember that this is pertaining to a case that the Delhi police is investigating, where the AAP MLA allegedly helped a murder accused flee from the cops. And for this, they've been wanting to take him also in for questioning. The AAP MLA has refused to cooperate with authorities, instead filed an anticipatory bail plea. While he's been given that particular protection from arrest, the Delhi court has made it very clear that he must cooperate with authorities. Now, till February 24th, that's for the next 10 days, Amanatullah Khan, the AAP MLA, has been granted protection from arrest. But today, by 5 p.m., by this evening 5 p.m., he must appear before police officials to be investigated, to record his statement. And his statement will be recorded with CCTV cameras recording the entire interrogation. Srishti Ojha, our legal correspondent, is joining us with more details on this. Srishti, get us details of what really transpired there. The Delhi High Court relieved Amanatullah Khan, but he has to cooperate with the investigation.
Well, yes, Akshata, definitely a big relief for Amanatullah Khan in respect to the new FIR which has been registered against him. The court has granted him interim protection till the next date of hearing, when his anticipatory bail plea will be heard on 24th February. The court has asked him to join the investigation and appear before the IO and appear before the Delhi police whenever the IO asks him to join the probe. The court has also asked the police to ensure that whenever he is examined, it's done in presence of CCTV once he appears before the Delhi police. As far as Delhi police's case against him and this new FIR is concerned, various questions were raised by the court today to the Delhi Police Council, and the Delhi police case with regard to this new FIR seems to be very weak in court's own words. The court has noted that the basic genesis of this case seems to be very weak because Delhi police registered this FIR against Amanatullah Khan, saying on grounds that he basically prevented the Delhi police from arresting a proclaimed offender, one Shawez Khan. However, as per the court records that were pointed out by Amanatullah Khan's lawyers, the said person is already out on anticipatory bail. The court questioned multiple times how did the Delhi police had the authority even in the first place to go and arrest the person. If they did not have the authority to arrest someone, considering the said person was out on anticipatory bail, can it be considered a discharge of their official duty? Secondly, if they weren't aware, which is something that the Delhi police also called a mistake of fact, that because of some mistake in the court records, they were not aware that the said person had already been granted bail. We also saw the Delhi Police Council say that the said accused, Shawez Khan, should have pointed it out to Delhi police at that time that he is not a proclaimed offender anymore, or that he had joined investigation and he was granted bail. We saw the court raise some questions, question the authority that the Delhi police had in its in arresting the person.
Yeah.
Also pointed out that the case as of now is very weak. Advised the Delhi police to go through the records, place the records before the court, including the CCTV
and that's what led
footage
to,
of the
in fact, relief
incident
for Amanatullah Khan in this particular case. Thanks, Srishti, for those details.